As we know, not all species of dinosaurs lived at the same time. Thousands of species of dinosaurs came and went before the end Cretaceous extinction. Stegosaurus, Diplodocus, and Allosaurus were extinct long before Triceratops, Tyrannosaurus, and Ankylosaurus evolved. While human activities, like hunting, are important causes of extinctions of recent animals, a common theme with all of these recent extinctions is habitat loss. Changes to an animal's environment can occur too quickly for a species to adapt and evolve. The Earth's climate and environments are always changing, but sometimes the rate of change is greater than other times. Can you think of some possible causes for environmental changes on a global scale? Check all the answers you think are correct. A. Opening of new oceans. B. Closing of ocean current passageways. C. Volcanism putting more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. D. Mountain building that changes air currents. E. Sea level changes. All of these can cause large-scale environmental change, so all of the answers are correct. What's more, many of these effects can reinforce one another. For example, warmer temperatures can lead to warmer oceans, which lead to rising sea levels. Rising sea levels can raise temperatures, reinforcing the cycle of ongoing climate change. As we learned in the lesson on paleogeography and plate tectonics, the continents are always moving. When continents rift apart, new oceans may form, and when continents collide, previously connected oceans may be divided. Plate tectonics influences the flow of ocean currents, which are important drivers of climate patterns worldwide. New mountain formation can also influence air currents, and mountains can block rain from falling in certain areas. A single large volcanic eruption can cause temperatures to drop for a year or two because of ash in the atmosphere, but continuous eruptions over thousands of years can cause an increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and therefore an increase in temperatures. The Earth is a dynamic place. What are some likely causes for the extinction of dinosaurs? Check all the answers you think are correct. A. Mammals eating eggs. B. Climate change from volcanism. C. Climate change from plate tectonics. D. The dinosaurs got sick. E. A meteorite impact. Or F. The dinosaurs were not fit enough. There have been many explanations put forward to explain the extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs. All of these have been suggestions at one time or another. However, the general consensus is that climate change of some kind or a meteorite impact killed the dinosaurs. So answers B, C, and E are correct. Some of the ideas that have been suggested as the cause of dinosaur extinction are pretty odd. Think about the one suggestion that dinosaurs were killed off by mammals eating their eggs. Here's why that theory is pretty unlikely. The idea that mammals caused the demise of dinosaurs doesn't take into account the long evolutionary success of dinosaurs. It doesn't make sense that mammals, which had coexisted for dinosaurs for millions and millions of years, would suddenly eat all of the dinosaur eggs everywhere. Other extinction theories, like a global virus or effects of a supernova, are difficult to test. Even so, there is no evidence to suggest that this is what occurred. It is also important to remember that dinosaurs were not the only animals to go extinct during the end Cretaceous mass extinction. So whatever explanation we use for the extinction of dinosaurs must also make sense for the other animals that went extinct, as well as those that survived. Climate change is certainly a possible explanation for the end Cretaceous mass extinction. We think something similar was the cause of the end Permian extinction. We know that there was a long series of volcanic eruptions at the end Cretaceous because there are huge lava fields of the right age in India called the Deccan Traps. However, there's another possible explanation for the end Cretaceous extinction that has lots of evidence supporting it: a meteor impact.